ancient Hindu manuscript reveals interplanetary travel and flight existed 7,000 years ago. Welcome to Mysterious World YouTube channel, subscribe and share for more update. It is believed that Bharadwaj made approximately 500 guidelines describing in details aviation and other technologies present on Earth thousands of years ago. However, the authors note that the current manuscript features only between 100 to 120 guidelines. Experts are convinced that foreign rulers who invaded India stole many of these manuscripts, studying them to produce many of the technologies we see today on Earth. These reports seem to back the Vaimanika, an early 20th century Sanskrit text said to describe in great detail aerospace technology, claiming that vimanas mentioned in ancient Sanskrit epics were in fact advanced aerodynamic flying vehicles, similar to modern-day rockets capable of interplanetary flight, as suggested by the popular ancient astronaut theory. The texts were revealed in 1952 by G.R. Josiah and contain 3,000 shlokas in 8 chapters. The propulsion of the vimanas, according to Kanjil, 1985, is by mercury vortex engines, a concept similar to electric propulsion. The authors said the aircraft the sage described is capable of traveling between countries, continents, and planets. According to the authors, this proves the aviation system in the ancient world was very advanced, more so than what exists today, and that most of the technologies that existed on Earth thousands of years ago, before the rise of modern civilization, are now completely gone, missing not only from society but from history books as well. What the authors presented from the manuscript is mind-boggling. Many scientists at the conference were marveled. The Vice-Chancellor of the University of Mumbai, Rajan Welukar, said, "There is no reason to believe in what they say about the Vedas, but it is something that is worth studying." Interestingly, many studies have offered contradictive results when studying the feasibility of ancient flying machines. In 1974, a study by the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore found that the heavier-than-air aircraft that the Vaimanika described were aeronautically unfeasible. But despite this fact, there are still many authors and scholars who are convinced that these ancient machines were in fact blueprints of highly advanced flying machines. Some of these researchers and scholars encourage aggressive inquiry into ancient books discussing technology that may surpass our very own today, in the 21st century. Captain Anand J. Bodis is quoted by the Mumbai Mirror as saying modern science is unscientific because it considers things it does not comprehend as not possible. He is further quoted as saying, "The Vedic or rather ancient Indian definition of an airplane was a vehicle which travels through the air from one country to another country, from one continent to another continent, from one planet to another planet." In those days, airplanes were huge in size, and could move left, right, as well as backward, unlike modern planes which only fly forward.